Ro has asked, do these methods help to make one more kinder, loving, patient, and more heart-centered? I've been trying some time to be less irritable, annoyed, picky in general. And I would say yes. Well, definitely yes. Being kind, loving, patient, and more heart-centered is actually your natural state. They are qualities of your natural state. Negative feelings like getting annoyed, frustrated all the time. Of course, if something really annoying is happening, no matter how much work you do, if someone's there throwing a ball at the side of your head when you're waiting for the bus, you're going to get annoyed, you're going to get irritated with them. But generally speaking, as we start to empty out, as we start to meet our feelings, as we start to meet the anger, the annoyed one, the irritable one, when we meet that one with love and we allow the energies of that to start to move out of our nervous system, naturally we're put in touch with our heart. And most of us, we have a layer of pain over our heart. You might remember a childhood experience where you were very open-hearted. Children are so open-hearted, and then something happens to them. Someone shouts at them, something happens, and that open heart just shuts down. And then the child, again, they relax, they play with their friends, whatever, their heart starts to open up. They're open-hearted, free. Some teacher at school says something to them that creates this emotion in them. Boof, their heart shuts down. And then eventually the heart opens. They're free. The energy's flowing through their heart. They're joyful, playing, in touch with their being. And then something happens and the heart shuts down. And that heart shutting down over and over again is so painful for the child that a certain point comes where they don't open it as much. They don't open it. They keep it shut because it takes so much energy to go from open to closed. And that is such a shock and such a horrible feeling. The child's like, okay, if I just keep it closed, I'm not going to have the experience of going from open to closed. And we all, to varying degrees, have some sort of layer of feeling over the heart, above the heart. And when you do this work, you start to really feel the heartache, the heart pain. You feel this layer of pain over the heart. And it's a good thing to feel it. You place your attention in it and feel it, and it starts to open up. You start to physically feel the energy of it opening up. And then you might just notice you start smiling. When I started doing this, I hadn't laughed properly for years. I had so much pain over my heart that I'd stopped laughing, basically. I pretended to laugh, just that's what everyone else was doing. Yeah. But I wasn't really laughing. And the first time I did this, within the first week of practicing this, and I don't want to put a time frame on it or anything, but when I first went through that experience I explained last week, where I came into the body and entered my heart, within a week I was watching Friends on TV, and Ross Geller made me laugh so much. I found him so funny. I was like, oh my God, I'm laughing again. Because laughter is the heart open. Laughter is the heart open. So as the heart opens, you start to smile more, you start to laugh more. And it's all about just, courageously feeling what's there. And as well, learning to step into your full expression, learning to step into the expression that you were when you were a child. Because that free expression that you were when you were a little kid running around is still within you. And this part of this work is allowing ourselves to be free, expressing ourselves like kids again. And there's certain things we can do to learn to do that. But yeah, I'll leave that there.